This pan here, I really love this pan. I was asked to do a staff pick, and as soon as I was asked, I knew exactly what I was gonna do. HENCKELS Everlift. I've worked here at Zwilling for 10 years in product development, so I know a good product when I see one. You know, my job is to beat up my product at home to make sure it withstands good quality for you, and so I'm really whacking my utensils on the rim, but this coating, it does not chip. The trimmed rim here, this is added for extra durability, protecting the product at its most vulnerable spot. The aluminum, it's a nice gauge. It's not so heavy, so anyone can use it, including my grandma, but it also offers really good browning all over the pan. The same brown at the edge as in the middle here. Another thing I really like is the handle Stay Cool. I know that I'll never burn my hand when I'm sauteing or frying up on high heat. I use it every day, and I hope you will too. And it's made in Italy.